What's good guys? Okay, you're tuning back into Segura Show. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your Apple Music into your iPhone ringtone. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I appreciate all the support that I can get. So currently I'm using iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I will teach you guys using my iPhone. So here we go. Okay, first thing you gotta do, you gotta check your Apple Music whether you have songs or not. I have only Bad Guy, Billie Eilish. I bought it, so like that's the only song I have in my iPhone 11. And then moving on to GarageBand. Open up your GarageBand. So now it's in landscape mode. So if you're a first time user for GarageBand, you're gonna see welcome and yada yada yada. You can press continue, and then GarageBand will like to send notification, so you can choose allow or don't allow. After that, you're gonna see like what I'm seeing right now is audio recorder, AMP, drums. So you have to tap on audio recorder. So for first time user, you're gonna see point your iPhone, tap OK. Then you're gonna see many other options like clean and whatnot. So tap on the upper left grid icon. Now it turns into a microphone timeline. So you can work with your audio file. As you can see, there are only 8 bars till the end. Now you have to tap on the upper right loop icon. It looks like a ribbon. Okay, you're gonna see Apple Loops. Here you can find some short sounds. You can use that also if you want. You can edit like a composer, and then you can search in files. This is where your downloaded songs are, and then you can see the music section, which we are focusing on right now. And yeah, you can take out the songs in your albums or artists or genre. Since I only have one song, so anything that I click will be coming up. Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. So there you go. Now I'm going to pull it out to the beginning of the timeline. Okay. Before you get excited to edit the song, you have to tap on the plus icon on the top right. It's a small icon, yeah. And then set it up to 30 bars on section A, meaning that 30 bars is like 30 seconds of the song, and only 30 seconds are allowed in iPhone ringtones. And once you are done, your timeline will change into 30 bars. As you can see the changes. Important note, turn off your metronome. It's very important. If you don't know what's a metronome, Google it. Okay, now you can start trimming your songs and choose the part that you want from the song to be your ringtone. What I do is I tap it, split it, pull down the scissors. So right now I'm trying to find which part of the songs that I want. And then once I found it, okay, I will pull down the scissors and I will click on the earlier part. And then I delete that part and I put all to the left. Now I'm just checking whether this is the part of the song that I wanted. So once I'm satisfied, I expand the end to the right. So it's done. To save your ringtone, click on the arrow on the top left corner. Then click on My Songs. Then saving. Now in GarageBand Recents, tap on My Song and hold. Now find for Share and tap on Share. Tap it on ringtone, the middle one, and then it will say your ringtone length needs to be adjusted. Just click continue, and then you can change the name of the song. So right now I put Billie Eilish part because of her singing part. And then you can export up there, and it will be exporting. Exporting. Okay, now just hit OK, and you're done. If you make it until here, good job guys. Okay, now go back to your settings. Okay, then find for sounds and haptics, and then click on your ringtone, and it's all here. Have fun guys. So for those who can follow up until the end of the steps shown, you should give yourself a pat on the back because it's a bit hard, but if you made it, you're good. So that's all for now, but I will teach you guys on how to make YouTube music into your ringtone on your iPhone. It's very easy, so please subscribe, and if I can reach out another 10 more subscribers, I will release that video. And thank you so much for everyone that support me. And please follow my YouTube channel by subscribing it, and I appreciate if you can follow me on Instagram too. And all these videos takes time to edit, to take, and I appreciate every support that I can get. So appreciate it. Peace out.